Hey guys, welcome back to K-Math. We're going to be talking about this problem over here that is commonly seen with trigonometry applications. It's going to be the angle of elevation from a ship to the top of a 32-meter lighthouse on the shore measures 33 degrees. To the nearest meter, how far is the ship from the shore? So the key factors to notice here is that we have a 42 high lighthouse, okay, and then we have the angle of elevation, which is the amount you tilt your head up, is 33. So knowing those two pieces of information, if this was on test, it'd be crucial to highlight this, underline it, or something, because it's the most crucial information that you need to know. Next, we see that this is a right triangle, and that means we can apply the trigonometry applications. So the ones you can use here, you can choose from the three, which is sine, cosine, and tan. So looking back and remembering, sine is going to be opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. And when we're looking at this, the way you measure what is hypotenuse, what is opposite, what is adjacent, is by you looking at the angle that you want to use. So for angle 33, the opposite side would be the line opposite of the angle, and the adjacent one would be the line that is touching that angle that is not the hypotenuse. So in that case, we know that this is going to be the opposite, and this line here is going to be the adjacent. So knowing that we're going to be using the opposite and the adjacent to find the solution, we can look back and see that we have to use tan. So we're going to plug in an equation for tan. So we're going to do tan of the angle that we're using that's given is equal to opposite, which is going to be 42, over what we're solving for, y, because it's asking how far the ship is away, and y is how far the ship is away. And now we treat tan as a regular set number, and we have to get y isolated. So to do that, we're going to multiply y by this side, bring it over on the other side. So tan 33, y is equal to 42. These cancels out. And then with the y isolated again, so we just divide tan 33 over this side. We get y is equal to 42 over tan 33. Okay, so now we have to set division. We can just plug this into our calculators, and we'll get 42 divided by 10 of 33, which is going to get you a number close to 64.6743. And we're going to look back at this problem and see how it wants to give us the final answer, which is what's important. And it says to the nearest meter. So we have to apply that here, and meter in this term is going to be the nearest whole number. So it's going to be round up 65 meters. That's your final answer. Thank you guys for watching this K-Math video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe down to the video down below, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one.